Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Tonight's video is about this shape and this pattern and multiple things going on here. So what we're going to do, we're going to take a six-sided polygon and I'm going to rotate it 30 degrees because I want a flat side on top. Now I can hit the plus key on the keyboard and grab that node right there and go right there. Now I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard and I want to grab about perpendicular from that so I can bring it straight down because I want this shape right here. Fill that in with the Smart Fill tool. Get rid of these. Let's go ahead and make this yellow. And let's go to Effects and Contour. We're going to contour to the center at 0.001. It just Corel puts it as that. Just kind of rounds it off. Well, that didn't work. Oh, you know why? I just wanted an outline in yellow. Let's make it something thicker than a hairline. And then let's contour it, and we get that. That's pretty cool within itself. Now, because I had a question about this the other day, they went to like effects and texture, and they're all grayed out. Well, most of these are a bitmap effect. So you have to take this item and go to bitmap and convert it to a bitmap. And if you drew it in RGB, you need to color mode in RGB. So now it's a bitmap. So now we can go to the effects and I'm going to go, I mean, there's a lot of things you can do. You can go texture. I'm going to go to creative and stained glass. And I'm going to change this one up a little bit. I'm going to change the solder width to a little thinner. Look at that. I didn't even really realize it would do that. That's pretty cool. Now, Control D to duplicate. Now, because it's a bitmap, it's a little bit hard to find that point, but it ought to say edge. And then we're going to rotate it 60 degrees. Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. That is quite surprising. It's got some white in the stained glass, so it kind of looks, I mean, that's just how it is. But if we draw a black box around this guy, we go up to object order, back of page. That looks pretty good. I like it. I like both of them. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.